Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So I've got this controller today which is called QLive and it is made for PC and laptops. So let's just quickly unbox this thing and see what we have. It is good to buy a controller rather than using your keyboard to play games on your PC or a laptop, because if you're gonna damage your keyboard, it's very expensive to replace, and if you use a controller, it is gonna be a lot cheaper. If you're gonna damage your controller, you can easily buy another one. So yeah, that's the main thing you should consider when you're thinking to play long sessions of games on your PC or a laptop. So this controller I've got here, which I got from a tech store. I'm pretty sure you can buy this kind of controller online as well. It was just around 25 euros. So it's the build quality is pretty good. I mean, let's put a game and see how it performs. So there are a lot of different types of controllers, so you have to make sure the one you're gonna buy it's made for PC and laptops, because there are a lot of controllers, for example for PlayStation, Xbox, stuff like that. So you make sure you have to get the one which is made for PC. So the gameplay on this one is pretty good. This thing got a haptic feedback as well. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this thing. So that was pretty much it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.